Algebraic Thinking from Khan Academy, and we're working on the last subtopic, relationships between two patterns. A table is made using the following two patterns. Pattern X, starting number 3, rule, add 3. Pattern Y, starting number 6, rule, add 6. Complete the table for the given patterns. Okay, so 3, start with 3 and add 3. So 6. Add 3, 9. Pattern Y, start with 6, add 6. So 6 plus 6 is 12, add 6, 18. The terms in pattern Y are always blank times the terms in patterns X. So 6 is how many times 3? So 6 is 2 times of 3. 12 is 2 times of 6. 18 is 2 times of 9. So it's always 2 times the pattern. Again, a table is made using the following two patterns. So pattern X, the starting number is 32, and then we subtract 7. So we have to do 32, take away 7. 32 take away 7 is 25, and then we have to take away 7 again, 18. Starting number is 34. The rule is to subtract 7. So 34 take away 7 is 27, and then take away 7 is 20. The terms in pattern Y are blank greater than the terms in pattern X. So 35 is 34 is 2 greater than 32. 27 is 2 greater than 25. 20 is 2 greater than 18. A table is made using the following two patterns. So pattern X, starting number is 4, and our rule is add 2. So 4 and we add 2 is 6, and we add 2 is 8. Pattern Y, our starting number is 2, and our rule is to add 1. So start with 2, add 1 is 3, add 1 is 4. Plot those on the graph. So 4, 2. So I'm going to take my green dot and go over 4 and up 2. 6, 3. So take my green dot over 6 and up 3, which is going to be halfway between that 2 and the 4 right there. And 8, 4. Take my green dot over 8 and up 4. A table is made using the following two patterns. Pattern X, starting number is 6, and we add 6. So starting number 6, we add 6 is 12. Add 6 is 18. Y, our starting number is 1, and our rule is to add 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2, and plus another 1 is 3. The terms in pattern Y are blank times the pattern X. So 1, okay, is not 6 times of X, it's 1/6 of X. 2 is 1/6 of X. 3 is 1/6 of 18. And that one can be a little bit tricky. So the one way that I like to think of it is knowing that 1 times 6 is 6. So if 1 times 6 is 6, that means that 1 is 1/6 of that number. Okay, another way you can think of it is knowing that if you look at the fraction, 1 out of 6 is 1/6.